Let me show you one secret why your data connection is very slow anytime you are browsing. So go to your settings, then come to connections, go to mobile network, then open access point names. Now this is where it's tricky a little. If your phone is not, you are using more than one SIM, like mine, I'm using two SIM, SIM1 and SIM2. So my SIM1 is my MTN, my SIM2 is my Airtel. So I will do for my SIM1 first. So let me continue with MTN Web. Then I come down to bearer unspecified. You uncheck unspecified so that I will put it on LTE. So when it's on LTE, I just OK it. So I can now enjoy very fast browsing. So let me go and do the same for my SIM2. Remember, I just did for SIM1 now, so I will go back. I'll just go to a step backward. So let me go and click on my SIM2 and do the same. So SIM2, so it's already on this internet though, so I'll click on it. It's already on SIM2 now. I'll click on SIM2 to continue. Then I'll go all the way down to this bearer. I will check unspecified and accept LTE and OK. So now I can enjoy very fast premium browsing. Do the same for your phone and enjoy your very fast browsing. Hope you got value for this. If yes, give it a like and share it to at least 5 people. So most importantly, we help business owners to run Facebook and Instagram ads. If that is what you want, you can send me a DM or check the link in my bio. See you again for another similar video like this.